I'm gonna call up some of my buddies and a few of the ladies I know. I'm gonna rent a hall to get them all put on a heck of a show. Make sure we got a kitchen with an oven and a stove. We'll all get in there cooking, then we'll go playing with my friends, 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 playing with my cornbread, everybody's gonna get their fill. Then we'll grab all the guitars, greasy hands and all. Someone count our beer shuffle, and then we'll have a ball. Play with my friends, play with my friends. Play with my friends. I'm gonna buy 100 pounds of catfish, cook it all up in the grill.